So I am newly separated, and it is not easy. Usually on this day, the 3rd, we would have a party, people over, but my life is very much entwined with his because I'm a transplant where we live, so I've basically been exiled. It's not funny. It's kind of sad, but this is hard. I'm doing okay, and I'm trying to like just be okay with it, and I know it's the right thing, but I'm sure there's other people that can relate, and if you're out there, like, just give me advice. I would appreciate it.
Let's say that you have $50,000 in your bank account because you didn't have a postnuptial agreement, and because this money was earned during the marriage, it's half hers. In a traditional sense of a marriage, being a joint financial partnership, you're entitled to half of his savings, and he's obligated to pay for half of your debts.
So he also inherited my student loan debt. You know
well, he didn't, though. That's typically separate property. How much student loan debt do you have?
About $100K.
Yeah.
¿100,000 en deuda tienes? ¿Quieres lo canto? No. ¿Está traducido correcto lo que están hablando ellos?
Am I interpreting correctly what they're talking?
Estoy loquito, escucho por acá $100,000 de deuda.
Yo sabes,
Muchas cosas. Wow.
Thanks to you, my daughter has nothing. Nothing. And I want to know why the house was put in your mother's name when you've got 2 flashy cars on the drive. Sorry? Is that really the way to speak to your ex-mother-in-law? Is it?
Well, it is, yeah. Listen here.
So could you please answer my question? Why is this house in your mother's name and not why did my daughter not know about this?
Well, unlike your little opportunistic. That's how you say the word. Opportunistic. That's how you say it. Daughter, yeah. Unlike her, I'm a very caring son. So I thought, well, I love my mother. Let me buy my mother a house in case if I sadly maybe pass away before my mother.
No, I'm sorry.
But it could be likely. So my mother has a nice, lovely
You didn't
house.
think to mention this to my daughter?
That was a valid point. He was trying to take care of his mother.
You didn't think to mention it to her?
I need to love her.
I mean, she married you and she loved you and she trusted you, and all the time, her home, which she decorated and did things for the garden, all that jazz.
With my money.
Was it your money though, or was it your mother's money?
Oh, my mum's money. Well, no, I bought it for my mum. It was a gift. It was a gift.
Really? And you couldn't buy flowers like most people do for their mothers?
Oh no, I bought the flowers for your daughter.
I don't think you're intelligent.
Intellectual is what you can call me.
If you were intelligent, you wouldn't have put the house in your mother's name.
Your narcissistic daughter, she played this whole thing like a game.
Narcissistic?
Yes, love.
I suppose you even know what that means.
Well,
narcissistic, because you certainly don't know how to write your name down a house.
And I played this game like a game of chess, and I won.
Is it all about? It's not all about winning, you know.
Well,
this was about trust and
she
marriage.
thought, you know what? She set up everything like a game of chess. Cool, there's a house here, there's cars here, there's businesses here, there's everything. We have a great life. Oh, cool. Let me just take it all.
Maybe he saw a picture of what was coming and decided to stay one step ahead of the situation.
Do you think maybe? Oh, do you know what? Palmer's a bitch. Palmer is a bitch. You will get your comeuppance, don't you worry.
Nothing.
Oh my goodness, I can't believe.
So this woman is dating this man, and it goes well, and then all of a sudden, he pulls away. And he kind of fades out for a few weeks, and she's like, I don't get it. It was going really well. We got along well. I don't get it. And she's perplexed. And yeah, she goes out with her girlfriends, and yeah, she steps out with another guy. She's like, we'll see what happens. But she doesn't like it. She's still thinking about the other one. She doesn't get it. And then all of a sudden, that other guy returns. I'm so sorry. I totally fell away. I spaced out. I this, I that, blah, 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 blah. And I say to her, my thinking is this. You were not his top choice. There were other women, perhaps another woman, one, that he had his sights set on. A little crushy crush. And she rejected him. For the last time, you hope. And that's what inspired him to come looking for you. When a man is sure about you, he is going to maintain momentum. He is not going to be flaking out, dating you strong for 2 months and then backing away. That does not happen. This dude had someone else, maybe an ex that he thought he would get back with, maybe another woman that was up here in the roster, and you were somewhere over here, so he had time. Oh, let me see where this goes with this girl. I like this girl. She's a good girl. Probably better girl than the number 1 spot girl, but I don't know. There's something about her. I just gotta have her. And she rejected him. So he came back looking for her. What do you think? What do you think about my theory? Why do men go on strong, couple of dates, 2 months worth of dating, get people's hopes up, oh, so good, and then all of a sudden cool off, fade away, only to reemerge? Why do they do this? Comment in the comment.
Dating app. What are you looking for in a man?
I'm looking for a loyal man that doesn't cheat on me, and also they give me like princess treatment and is not what is this, asozial?
Antisocial.
Yes, antisocial, who just loves me, and yes, I think loyalty is the number 1. Yes.
Okay. You made some bad experiences with loyalty?
I haven't had a boyfriend yet, but I have like situationships, and they always like cheat on me. I don't know if it's called, if you can call it cheating, but yes.
Okay.
A mother's pressure to transfer ownership of her daughter's ex-husband's house to her daughter is disturbing and reflects a lack of respect for the ex-husband's autonomy. This behavior not only strains relationships, but also sets a poor example for future generations, perpetuating a cycle of entitlement and selfishness. Respecting each other's boundaries and properties is crucial for maintaining healthy and respectful relationships. The mother's confrontation about her daughter's lack of assets after divorce reveals a complex web of emotions, hidden arrangements, and questions about trust and family ties. Divorce is often an emotionally charged process, and the distribution of assets can be a particularly contentious issue. The mother's involvement can strain family ties, leading to long-term resentment and unjust accusations or targeted individuals. Trust is a cornerstone of any relationship, and its breach can lead to lasting damage. Confrontations over financial matters can exacerbate existing tensions and lead to long-term resentment, further complicating post-divorce relationships. This situation underscores the importance of transparency and fairness in financial dealings, particularly in the context of a marriage and its dissolution. It highlights the need for legal and financial protections, such as prenuptial agreements and thorough documentation of assets, to prevent such conflicts. The involvement of extended family members in post-divorce financial disputes can complicate an already difficult process, emphasizing the need for clear communication and legal guidance. The mother's actions may inadvertently escalate the conflict and harm the chances of an amicable resolution. Some women may demand princess treatment without showing any respect to men, neglecting the importance of mutual respect and equality in relationships. Such behavior not only undermines the foundation of a healthy partnership, but also perpetuates unfair expectations. And that concludes today's discussion on MGTOW voice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on future videos. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you all in the next video.